Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does an IRS criminal investigation take? This is a question many people worry about, and the answer is almost always longer than you think. There's no simple timeline, because these investigations are complex, thorough, and move through many different stages. It's not a quick audit, it's a serious federal investigation that unfolds over a significant period. It all begins when IRS Criminal Investigation, or CI, gets a lead. This could come from a civil audit that uncovered signs of fraud, a whistleblower, or information from a bank. CI special agents then conduct a preliminary review to see if the case has merit. They decide if there's enough evidence to open a full investigation. This initial step alone can take several months. The IRS is very selective and only pursues cases they are confident they can win. Once a formal investigation is opened, the clock really starts ticking, but it moves very slowly. Special agents will spend months, and often years, gathering evidence. They issue subpoenas for bank records, business ledgers, and other financial documents. They conduct interviews with you, your family, your employees, and your business partners. They might even execute search warrants on your home or office to seize computers and records. This evidence-gathering phase is the longest part of the entire process because they are building an airtight case, piece by piece. After the special agent finishes their investigation, it's still far from over. The case must go through a multi-layered review process. First, it's reviewed by the agent's direct supervisor. Then, it goes to IRS Chief Counsel for a detailed legal review. If it passes that stage, it is formally recommended for prosecution and sent to the Department of Justice in Washington, D.C. The DOJ's tax division then conducts its own independent review. Each of these steps adds more months to the timeline. Only after the DOJ approves the case does it go to a local U.S. Attorney's office. An assistant U.S. attorney then takes charge of the case. They will likely present the evidence to a grand jury to seek an indictment. From the point of indictment to a potential plea deal or trial can easily take another year or more. So, what's the total time? From the moment an investigation begins until a final resolution, you are realistically looking at a minimum of 1 to 2 years. It is very common for these cases to take 3, 4, or even 5 years to complete. The key takeaway is that this is a marathon, not a sprint. The government is not in a hurry. Thank you so much for watching. Understanding this process is critical if you ever face this situation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more information on navigating complex legal and tax issues.